This is the updated version of the Aviator clock. It uses the software from the power station clock, and this video shows how much faster the clock wakes up after PIR deactivation. In this version, the PIR is now set to shut down the clock after the sensor detects no movement for 5 minutes. If at any time in that 5-minute period, any movement is detected, the 5 minutes starts again. This clock has now shut down as the 5-minute period has expired. During shutdown, the hands stop moving, the digital seconds display turns off, and the pink and red LEDs flash alternately. The picture-in-picture window shows the original version of this clock reactivating after shutdown as a comparison. Around 1 hour and 5 minutes later, the clock detects movement and the hands move backwards or forwards to show current time again. The new version shows current time again after 2 seconds, while the original version takes longer at 17 seconds.